You all, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about ticker symbol UAMY, United States Antimony Corporation. It is trading at $1. It is up 1.52% today, and we have been seeing a lot more traction in UAMY in last few days. I'm going to talk about what the traction is all about, what is the volume, what is the price action, what is next for UAMY. We will also review their latest financial earnings in Q1 2021. In my opinion, it's a pretty good earning for UAMY. Remember, it's a penny stock, went all the way to $2.52. So last 2 weeks, actually the year range is 22 cents up to $2.56. Today's range is $1.04, as high as it went, and on the lower end went to 99 cents. Previous close was 98 cents. Now looking at UAMY, and by the way, we got the traction back. There are a few things that are happening in the stock market. In the beginning of the year, we saw a rise in a lot of penny stocks, mid cap stocks, even the large cap stocks. What happened when around March and April is we started seeing a lot more traction in cryptocurrency, and the crypto started spiking up. If you think about Dogecoin, Ethereum, if you can think about Bitcoin and many other coins like Cardano, Shiba Inu, so on and so forth, all the coins made a lot of millionaires. If you follow my channel, we talk about a lot of crypto, a lot of penny stocks, and it has been a pretty fantastic investing year. So click on the like button so this video can reach to more and more people. It is also going to be very helpful if you click the like button to spread the word out about a lot of things that we talk on this channel. Click on the subscribe button. Your subscription means a lot for the growth of this channel. So click like, share, and subscribe. I'll make sure I share very relevant information, time sensitive information that you need to know beforehand, because remember, the way the play has been is information. Knowledge is power. If you think about AMC, what happened with GME and a lot of other stocks with the short squeeze, gamma squeeze, and whatever going on with Dogecoin, this is all based on the information, based on the details, based on the knowledge, based on the tweets and whatnot. Thinking about UAMY and going back to this video, by the way, if you haven't clicked the like button, click the like button and subscribe to the channel. For 5 days, the stock is up 8%. For 1 month, the stock is up 21%. I talked about this stock before a month when it was around 74 cents. For 6 months, the stock is up 129% year to date. It is up 100%, which means you doubled your return on your investment. If you invested in UAMY in the beginning of the year, this stock used to be one of the very popular stock on this channel, and many people bought into this stock, and it went to $2.56. So I'm covering this once again. It has started getting traction. Let's talk about what the company does, and I'll go back to their earnings. But the company is basically, and by the way, they're rebuilding their site. This is a pretty old site, as you can tell. They have 3 big properties. The one is in Mexico, the second one is in Montana, and the third one that they have in Idaho. And what they do is it's a natural resource company, and the raw material and the supply of antimony properties from Mexico and third-party companies that they work with, that are vendors across the globe. It has produced various antimony products, and this company is in business for a while. They were established in 1968, so pretty long time, so they know what they're doing, and they have been consistently sold out condition, and many times they're in sold out condition. And there was some tension between US and China, and we're thinking that this company can get the most benefit out of it. Operations include the smelter and the precious metal refinery in Montana, a smelter, and 3 mills in Mexico. On the top of that, they also own 100% of this corporation mine in southeast Idaho that manages, in regards to one of the best zeolite property in the world due to the high cash and exchange capacity, with low sodium content and hardness, uniformity, high potassium content, and large surface area. So this is what the company does. Looking at their latest financials and the earning, Q1 2021, the revenue is 1.25 million, which is down 28% compared to Q1 2020. However, if you think about the Q4 2020, the revenue is up. In Q4 2020, the revenue was $900,000. In Q1 2021, 1.25 million is the total revenue, where the net income is negative $335,000 compared to the net income of negative $1.71 million. Now looking at the net cash on hand, that's where you want to really focus on. The net cash on hand in Q4 was $665,000, whereas in Q1, at the end of Q1, they have $23 million in cash. So the cash on hand is pretty healthy. So hopefully there will be no stock dilution in upcoming future. And this company hasn't done a lot of stock dilution. If you take a look at how they have been trading, and if you take a look at the max, they went to all the way to close to $4 in the past, and since then it started dropping and it did not really go up once again. So that's something that you want to consider. And if you think about how the stock has been trading and the 1 year target, the 1 year target from this analyst is $3. So that's a pretty massive target. It's 3 times return on your investment. If you invested at 74 cents when I did the video of a month back, it is 5-6 times return on your investment. And if you take a look at the volume is a little bit lower than the average volume right at the moment. The average volume is 3.5 million, whereas the current volume is 2.04 million. By the way, this is still a good volume, because if you take a look at the historical volume, we were a couple of weeks back below 1 million. In terms of the volume during the trading session, that went back up on May 26th, which is when the stock also started rising. 1.9 million, 1.3 million, 2.6 million, and we went as high as 5.2 million, went back down, cut in half, 2.2 million, and once again we started seeing higher volume. At the same time, we are seeing higher lows. So if you think about 73 cents, 78 cents, 79 cents, and I can show you that in the chart as well, and you will be able to see. This is 1 month chart. As you can see, 82 cents went up right here, about 91 cents went up right here, 92 cents. We did go down to 89 cents, healthy dip, went back up to 96 cents. Once again, we are back up to $1.02. If you take a look at the 5-day chart, you will be able to see that for last 5 days, we have been making higher lows. So right here, 88 cents, right here, once again, going back 92 cents, going up once again, 94 cents, looking into this, 99 cents, and $1.01. So what I'm trying to get at is we are making higher and higher and higher lows, which is going to help the stock price and the price action, in my honest opinion. So looking at the way the stock has been trading, I'm pretty confident saying that this is a bullish pattern the way we are seeing right now. If you take a look at the RSI, and this is 5-day RSI 33, which is pretty healthy RSI. This is an oversold condition, which means there will be some buying power buying action going to happen, which will have the stock price to go in the positive direction. Looking at the MACD, it also looks pretty healthy to me. The blue is the MACD, the orange is the signal, orange is the signal for MACD, and that is looking pretty healthy as well. If you take a look at 1-day price action and price point, like 42 RSI is pretty healthy RSI, not an overbought, not really an oversold, but towards the oversold condition. We did not really go too low in terms of the price. We went to 99 cents. Once again, it's higher than yesterday's close. We are seeing some of the trading pattern, barcoding trading pattern, but in my opinion, that doesn't hurt really the stock and the way the stock has been trading. Look, going back into the cash on hand situation right here, this is pretty fascinating looking to me. Cash on hand 23 million, which is one of the highest cash on hand that we have seen for the company. Cash on hand 665,000 in December 2020, September 1.44 million, 123,000, and in March, same time last year, we are looking at $23,000 cash on hand. But the revenue is consistently high. Look at that, 1.74 million, 1.59 million, 1 million, 900 million, very close to 1 million, and once again 1.25 million. So what I'm trying to say is the company sustains their revenue, the company sustains their net income as well. We're not seeing crazy numbers like $3 or $4 million negative in net cash income. On the top of that, we are seeing a pretty healthy balance sheet in terms of cash on hand. So that makes me think that the company has a great future. I just wanted to put it out there, share the information with you. Click on the like button, like, share, and subscribe. Your help is very much appreciated. I will see you in the next video.